The lying, uncaring, work only for the wealthy, Federal Reserve heads should have stopped their wealth dividing, no job producing, forced high inflation, bank interest hijacking, economy crushing anti-stimulus skewy way back in 2009. Instead it was continued out to 2014, with constant talk of ending their anti-stimulus and rapid increases in interest rates would occur shortly after. Well, it's been one lie after another, and rightful short sellers in the presently 4 to 8 times overpriced stock market are unjustly forced to lose over and over again. Who really cares if the stock market falls 30-50% or more, as we need the economy in better shape, not making and sustaining a ludicrously overpriced stock market relative to the depressed economy. You let the market fall in half and the seniors and all others who lost big from the Federal Reserve hijacking their bank interest are allowed to get their $100 to $500 bank interest per month. We get a real inflation rate under 2% as opposed to the approximately 6% now, and you will see a positive change in the economy, unlike the negative change caused by the Federal Reserve. With the stock market relentlessly being manipulated up over the past 10 years, the wealthy are able to take some of their ill-gotten gains off the table and buy more homes to make home and rent prices higher, and this is causing a big hurt for the cost of living for those in the middle class. The ruinous policies are making a record wealth divide and record homeless problem. But still, taking the Fed out of the stock market and economy will not cure our problems, as there are major structural problems involved with the wealth divide, high home prices from other effects besides Federal Reserve policies, immigration, employment, education, government compensation, healthcare and more, which are all addressed on the 40-page site given to scores of our top leaders in a major way back in 2010, but they prefer inaction while collecting their $200K per year salaries plus other under-the-table perks. The wealthy are loving the regressive policies. Those in the middle class going long the stock market are actually making life worse for themselves, not better, unless they are at the critical point of being so far up at the high end of the middle class where they are reaping the benefits of oppressively high rents on the backs of those less fortunate, or in having some other business operation that cushions them from inflationary pressures. As I will make clear in another video, the middle class in going long the market are help making the wealthy far wealthier, and the nominal gains made by those in the middle class then gets taken away with inflation. And you know why, a major reason at least, why the middle class is shrinking. The stock market participation by the middle class in going long, as is typically done, is destroying their very own standard of living.